Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to create a successful Instagram influencer takeover. So let's get right into it. An Instagram influencer takeover is a dynamic strategy that can inject fresh energy into your brand account. It involves an influencer temporarily taking over your Instagram account to create and share content with your audience. Here's how to create a successful one. Number 1, define your goals. What do you want to achieve? Increase brand awareness, attract new followers, boost engagement, showcase a new product or service, provide unique content. Establish key performance indicators, which are your KPIs. Follower growth, engagement rates, website traffic, etc. Number 2, select the right influencer. Relevance. Ensure their audience aligns with your target demographic. Their content style should complement your brand. Authenticity. Choose influencers who genuinely resonate with your brand. Look for authentic engagement, not just high follower count. Engagement. Prioritize influencers with active and engaged audience. Number 3, plan the takeover. Format and duration. Decide whether the takeover will focus on stories, feed posts, views, or a combination. Determine the duration of the takeover, e.g. a day, a few hours. Content team. Develop a content team that aligns with your brand and the influencer's expertise. Create a content outline or schedule. Messaging and guidelines. Provide clear guidelines on brand messaging, hashtags, and disclosure requirements. However, allow the influencer creative freedom to maintain authenticity. Promotion. Promote the takeover in advance on your Instagram and other social media accounts or channels. Encourage the influencer to promote the takeover to their audience. Number 4, execute the takeover. Clear communication. Maintain open and consistent communication with the influencer. Ensure smooth coordination throughout the takeover. Content review. If possible, review content before it's posted to ensure it aligns with your brand guidelines. Engagement. Actively engage with comments and questions during the takeover. Track and measure results. Monitor KPIs. Track follower growth, engagement rates, website traffic, and other relevant metrics. Analyze data and evaluate the takeover performance and identify areas for improvements. Gather feedback. Collect feedback from your audience and the influencer. Here are some key tips. Transparency. Ensure the influencer clearly discloses the sponsored nature of the takeover. Cross-promotion. Encourage the influencer to drive their followers to your account. Content variety. Mix up the content formats to keep the audience engaged. Build relationship. Use takeover as an opportunity to build a long-term relationship with the influencer. By following the steps, you can create a successful Instagram influencer takeover that boosts your brand's visibility and engagement. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.